What's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be painting the brake calipers on my 2018 Mustang GT. So if you look down here, we're going to be painting those bad boys. This is kind of a little before the action. That's how they are pre-paint. All right. And I realized I didn't have a jack stand. I didn't have a jack or jack stands. So I took a quick drive down to AutoZone. I picked up the Duralast 2¼ ton jack and jack stands combo. This thing probably set me back around $100 for everything. I did get the VHT caliper paint, rated for 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Very, very important that you get high temperature caliper paint. You don't want to have any issues with anything bubbling up, peeling, flaking off, or just kind of problems like that. So I got two of these, and there it is, two of these and the VHT high temperature gloss clear coat, just to kind of tie everything up. Just kind of went high temperature all the way around, just to be on the safe side. So this one comes in the box. There's the jack stands are in there. We're gonna get these out of the box and put the car up on some jacks and get started with the prep work. Yo, check that out. Oh man, that shit looks so good. Oh man, I wanted red calipers on the car for the longest time. It's gonna pop even more once I swap out those stock boys for a nice set of wheels and tires. Looking for something in like a 5-spoke design. I want a lot of the caliper to pop, but this is definitely going to add to kind of that effect right now. Damn, but yeah, it looks good. Just to recap, take the tire off, mask off your area, get her set up for painting. We're gonna use, again, the VHT caliper paint, rated at 900 degrees. You're gonna wanna get high temperature paint just to be on the safe side. Why not spend the extra buck or two to get paint that you know is gonna hold up for you? And then follow that up with the high temperature clear coat, just to run it back. Give it that little pop. I mean, the one side already looks super good. I know I showed it, but man, I gotta show it one more time. This side has the clear coat on it now. That's just gonna look incredible once we put the tire back on it. I can't wait to see it. Oh, it looks good. But back to business. We gotta finish up. We're running out of sunlight here, sun setting. So we want to make sure we get this done. But this is gonna be a before of the rear side before we jump over to the fronts and get this thing all tied up. Let's do it. So it's getting late, as you can see, but we're still at it. This thing is just coming out, man. I'm telling you, these calipers, having them red, it just makes all the difference. I love the way it's coming off. Just some simple taping. A lot of my master is coming down. I did have that taped up, but man, guys, look at this. She's really gonna pop. I really want to show you guys when it's on the wheel. All right, we're all done now. Calipers came out amazing. I think they look really, really good to go together with the other red accents on the car, like the accent on the 5.0 logo and the shift knob that I got there. This is actually pretty easy, as long as you get the right paint. Like I said, I used the VHT high temperature caliper paint. All the materials I use are going to be linked into the description, just in case you guys want to try it. As long as you got a jack stands, and get the tire off. This is actually a pretty easy process. Just make sure you mask off anything that you don't want painted. If you enjoy the video, please be sure to leave a like. If you want to keep seeing what we got going on here, subscribe and check out some more cool things I got soon to come. Peace.